Hi everyone, poor sleep after 60? Fix it naturally with this evening routine. Plus, foods to avoid. Foods that silently damage aging bodies. Now, my friends, before we wrap up, let's talk about something very important. Some foods may not just harm your sleep, they can silently damage your overall health as you age. Here are the top culprits to watch out for. 1. Processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats are high in sodium and preservatives. These raise blood pressure and increase heart risk, especially after 60. 2. Sugary drinks, sodas, packaged juices, and energy drinks are full of hidden sugars. They damage your joints, liver, and can worsen diabetes. 3. Refined white bread and pastries. These cause sharp blood sugar spikes. 4. Excess salt in pickles and canned foods, leading to inflammation, fatigue, and weight gain. Too much sodium makes your kidneys and heart work harder. If deep-fried foods, French fries, fried chicken, and samosas may taste comforting, but they inflame your arteries and make digestion slower at night. What to eat instead for long-term health? The good news is, you don't need to give up tasty food. You just need to make smarter swaps. Instead of processed meats, go for grilled fish, chicken, or plant proteins like lentils. Swap sugary drinks with infused water. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. Replace white bread with whole grains like oats. Choose fresh fruits and vegetables over canned salty snacks, brown rice, or whole wheat chapati. Instead of fried foods, try baked or air-fried options with healthy oils. These changes not only help you sleep better, but also protect your heart, brain, and joints in the long run. So here's the big takeaway. Better. Sleep after 60 doesn't require sleeping pills or expensive supplements. It starts with simple daily choices, a calming evening routine, sleep-friendly foods, and avoiding harmful ones. Your body is still strong, capable, and ready to heal itself if you give it the right tools. Remember, a good night's sleep is the foundation of a good life. So tonight, choose wisely, create your calm routine, and give your body the rest it truly deserves. If you found this video helpful, thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so more people over 60 can live healthier, happier lives. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video. Go!